My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, it's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring another stick-up, pick-up/sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right there, right next to me right now. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, cool. Happy May. It's very rare that I can think of that the first day of the month is on the first day of the week. It is Monday, May the 1st, 2023. So we're in a new month, and I got to pick up already. Did not think I was going to get this. Well, I woke up in the morning time to get this shoe off the Sneaker app, but y'all all know. Listen, everybody watching this know how the Sneaker app does it. So I don't even got to go on that. 5 accounts, 5 L's. It is what it is. So I did buy the shoe resale. Not as much as I thought I was gonna have to pay, because I see this shoe going for a lot of crazy prices. But it is what it is. So Nike bag right here. That's where I bought it from. He got it from Nike from the shock drop that happened, I think on Saturday, or no, actually happened on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. The shock drop happened. It was so many different chances to get this shoe. First they did the I forgot what it's called, but it's kind of like early access where you can try to reserve a pair. I flunk out on that. Then it was the shock drop. I actually missed that. My phone was in my pocket and I was at work and I didn't even get to do that. It was just a lot. And then I tried the actual release, which was today, early this morning, 7 o'clock a.m. And then, like I said, 5 accounts, 5 L's. And I'm not saying I got 5 accounts. I'm talking, well, I do have 3. My homegirl and my baby mother, they did it too. Well, Jess and Michelle, y'all already know them because I introduced them on the channel a lot of times. But enough talking. Let's get straight to it. Oh my God, the box right off back is completely different from the first one. Y'all see a box up here. We're gonna get to that in a second. But got an all-white box. You see what it says? Got the angel wings and the halo, and it says Mambacita right there, so you know what that stands for. The box is filled with like this scales, as for for the black mamba, but it's very scaly. I love this box. It reads, excuse me if I sound strange. I'm just getting over a cold. My nose is very stuffy, so I'm trying to get over it. And if I'm rushing a little bit, I have basketball practice in less than an hour, like a little bit over an hour, but it's like a 40-minute drive there, so I gotta get there. Classic was just smiling when I said I'm sick, because Classic is the one that got me sick. So thank you, Classic. Anyway, Kobe 4 Protro, white, black. That's the color. Suggested retail price, I think it was $180. This is a size 9 because Kobe's run kind of small, so you know what that means. Personal pair. No reseller here. Oh my God, I love this box so much. Oh,
looks normal.
Huh?
Looks normal.
Well, I mean, it's just, you don't know the story behind it, so of course. But you still got that same wrapping, this golden wrapping paper with the angel wings and the halo right there, and on right there you see the Kobe logo right there with the Mambacita right there. This is a dope box, man. This is a clean box. I know you said it looks normal, but it's white because you know the story about Kobe, right? Kobe passed away. Kobe Bryant.
Oh, that story.
Yeah, and his daughter, Gigi.
Yeah.
You know, they passed away. So, the angel, the white box, having this white and everything like that. Well, people, whatever. We're not even going to get into all that. But that's why the box is like this. But I love this box. This might be the thumbnail right here. That might be the thumbnail. I don't know. I gotta see. But without further ado, I'm happy I got this shoe. That rhymes. We have the Kobe 4 Protro, Gigi or Mambacitas. Boom. All right, right off back, like you said, all white shoe. Like I said, this is completely different from the first iteration of the Kobe Gigi's. This one that came out last year, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, today's her birthday. I'm sorry, I apologize if I got that wrong, but if it is her birthday, I think it is her birthday. Happy birthday to Gigi. We miss you down here. Rest in peace to Kobe and the other people that lost their lives in that tragic helicopter accident. Just a sad thing. It was just, I mean, it's always sad to lose a life way too soon, but when you talk about losing children's lives, it just, I got kids, so like I couldn't imagine not having Classic in my life, or not having Harlem in my life, and not having Serenity in my life. I couldn't imagine. I play around with them, and I be like, oh, you can go live with your mother and everything like that, but I love my sons, I love my daughter. I just, it's just sad. It's just sad. But all right, so this is the first iteration of the Kobe Protro Gigi, and it was the Kobe 5s, if I'm not, no, Kobe 6s, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this one is a black one, a black and white one. As you can see, it got Gigi on the back. That one, the scales. I already did a review for this. It'll be right there. Go check that review out. I did a review for this one already. So I had a bunch of Kobe's, and I kept them off a while, but I felt like they just would just sit in my closet collecting dust, so I got rid of all of them. Not in a bad way. I only have this one and the Grinches, the second iteration of the Grinches. Those reverse Grinches come out in December. Definitely gonna go get those. But yeah, like I said, this is the first iteration of it. I'm not gonna get too much into this because, like I said, I do have a review for this already up on my channel. Y'all go check this out. Got a little glue sticking out right here that just got it. So yeah, but yeah, so this was the black ones. These are the white ones, and it's the 4s. I got some information first before I read this to y'all off of KicksOnFire.com. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. It reads, the Nike Kobe 4 Protro will be returning in 2023, as today we get a first look at one of the colorways that will be releasing with this GG pair, which celebrates G Bryant's birthday. Yes, today is her birthday. Done in an official color makeup listed as white, black, metallic gold. This Nike Kobe 4 Protro comes dominated by a white leather constructor on the majority of the upper, along with the mesh detailing. Standout details on this pair includes a black plaid print on the heels, Gigi embroidered on the heels, along with her jersey number 2 in gold. Black embroidered swooshes, on the side panels, and gold Kobe logos on the tongue split midsoles, and black rubber also wrapped up the look. So yeah, so I love this black Nike swoosh right here, embroidered. You can really feel it. White leather going all through the shoe, black laces, Kobe logo in that metallic gold right there. I forgot what they call this plaid type materials, and I forgot what it's called, but we're just gonna say the black and white plaid right there. See GG number right there too, and GG right there on the back. White midsole, all black outer, rubber outer sole, red Nike check right there. Like I said, come with black laces, but it also has 2 pairs of other laces, alternate laces. Has some white laces, and I love these right here. The black laces with the white speckle like that, I love that. I'll definitely put that in here. Let's see if anything different on the back of the other. No, still GG on the back of this. Yeah, it does have Mambacita on the inside. Hopefully you can see that.
It's a heart.
Yeah, with a heart. We got that?
Yes.
Okay, so I mean, all in all, it is a plain shoe, but I think, like I said, Classic, I know it's a plain shoe, but it's a story behind the shoe. It's a story behind the shoe, you know, the tragic loss of not only young lady and superstar basketball player that we know, but other lives too. If I'm not mistaken, it was 7 or 8 people in the helicopter.
Damn, the helicopter must be big, though.
Yeah, but I can't really remember the exact amount of people on there, but we lost a lot of people we shouldn't have lost. Life, such is life, but it sucks. But anyway, I did pay resale for this. I'm happy I did. I would not mind paying resale for this, and if I had to do it again, I'd do it again. So definitely want to try to double up. I'm hoping they do a wider range release for the shoe, like to Foot Locker. If If I'm not mistaken, this only dropped on the Sneakerhead. It came to Nike with a shock drop. Well, that's the Sneakers app. And two shoe palaces got this. And Inglewood and I think Carson, I can't remember. But two shoe palaces in LA got this. So I actually copped from someone that got this off of the shock drop. So that's why he has a Nike bag. He has a receipt right here. It's all legit. He got his from East LA. Yep. And the total was $197. So I did not pay that, but it is what it is. So put this in the thing. But all in all, I'm happy I got the shoe. Classic, 1 to 10. What are you giving it? I know you're probably gonna give it a low.
8.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Why? Did I convince you because of the story or what?
It's just a really good shoe.
You think it's a good shoe?
Yeah, and it's sad that Corby and Gigi died.
Yeah, and the rest of them. Yeah, it is. Okay, classic with the 8. Okay, I'm gonna follow up your 8 with an 8 also. Like you said, sad, tragic. Beautiful shoe because of the story behind it. It represents his daughter. If I'm not mistaken, her mother, designed it. And this is based on the jersey. They did release the Gigi black and white basketball jersey, which sold out very quick on StockX. And I'm sure, on sneakers. And I'm sure people are reselling like crazy. I would like to get a hold on one of those jerseys, if possibly both. So if anybody got a good connection to get me both of those jerseys in a size medium or large, let me know. But I'm going to give it an 8 too. I'm not really a fan of white and black shoes, but the story behind this pumps this shoe up. Beautiful shoe. And the laces, like I said, this pair of laces is just dope. And I didn't even notice that it says Gigi right there on the tips. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but hold on, I'm trying to see. Let's see if I can turn it. See if you can get that. Can you get that? It says Gigi.
Where? Wait.
On the tip.
It's just very blurry. Yeah.
Can't get it? Let me see.
No. Yeah, too blurry.
Okay. Well, it says Gigi on the tips. So let me see, is it on the white ones too? Yes. So on the tips, on the black tips, on the white laces, it says Gigi. And on the tips, on this one, it says Gigi. So, it's a detail. The detail matters. So, anyway, let me know in the comments below if you was able to get this shoe. Let me get a bunch of happy birthday to Gigi in the comments below, please. Happy birthday, Angel. May you rest in peace. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. As always, you'll be your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks, and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.